Okay, let's do one more. I want to know how many liters are occupied by 62.0 grams of nitrogen at STP. Everybody knows STP is 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere of pressure, but the thing that you really need to know about it is that at STP, and yeah, you can still use that at symbol to mean actually at, not just a Twitter mention. At STP, 1 mole is the same as 22.4 liters. So that's what's going to allow us to form a link between the desired information and what we've got. So we want to go grams to moles to liters. That'll allow us to link what we've got with what we want. To make the first leap from grams to moles, we've got to go to the periodic table. So periodic table, right? Nitrogen right there. 14, and we'll call that just 14, honest to goodness 14, forget the decimals. N2 has a molar mass of 2 times 14, because there are 2 of them, 28 grams per mole. Am I right? So this tells me that 28 grams is the same thing as 1 mole. I'm going to use that to convert this 62.0 grams into moles. Well, I use a conversion factor, right? And let me see, I can either put the 28 grams on the top and the 1 mole on the bottom, or I can put I can do it the other way around. What I want is for the grams here to cancel out. But that doesn't happen this way because grams can't cancel if it's on the top and on the top. So I need to rearrange and write this the other way around and do it as 1 mole over 28 grams. Now we have the right cancellation with the grams going away, and our answer so far is in moles. Well, I've done the first step. I've gone from grams to moles. Now I want to go from moles into liters. Proceeding with the same calculation, I can use another conversion factor. I'm in moles, and let me see. Oh, 1 mole is 22.4 liters. So same thing, right? I can either put mole on the top and 22.4 liters on the bottom, or I could do it the other way around. This here is going to be a great big sad face because moles and moles, that's not going to work. I've got to have moles on the bottom down here. So I'll get rid of this guy and write it the other way around. 22.4 liters over 1 mole. Yay! Let's turn that frown upside down, Buster Brown. Because moles now cancels, and my answer is in liters the way it should be. So now get out your calculators, kids, and this is going to be, I'll write it, 62.0 times 22.4 divided by 28. And this, I'll say that doesn't limit significant figures because it's from the periodic table, and we usually don't use that for sig figs, but also I rounded it because rounded. So we're going to be using 3 significant figures here. 62 times 22.4 divided by 28 is going to give me 49.6 liters of volume taken up by this thing. Bam! We're done.